Hello and welcome everyone! I've been craving something sweet, so today we're putting together a tasty treat. We are going to make some delicious butterscotch pudding from scratch. None of that store-bought pre-packaged stuff. Why? Because it tastes better, of course, and it's pretty easy to make. For today's recipe, you will need 2½ cups of whole milk, 3 large egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, 3/4 of a cup tightly packed brown sugar, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Firstly, we are going to make a cornstarch slurry. Combine the cornstarch and salt in a large bowl, then slowly whisk the milk into the cornstarch. Make sure that all of the cornstarch is dissolved and there are no clumps remaining. Now whisk in the egg yolks and the vanilla, and then set the bowl aside. Now we're going to make the butterscotch. Melt your 1/4 cup of butter in a medium or large saucepan set on medium-high heat. Once it has melted, add in the sugar and whisk it all together. Continue whisking the butter and sugar as it cooks. The sugar and butter will seem as though they are not going to combine, but as they cook, they will become more and more homogeneous. Once the butterscotch has become a molten mass of bubbly goodness, remove it from the heat and slowly whisk in the heavy cream. Don't panic if your sugar never becomes a molten mass of bubbly goodness. It happens sometimes. Instead, just pay very close attention to it, and at the first sign of smoke, remove it from the heat and add the cream. It will still taste just as delicious. As the cream is added, your sugar mixture will likely seize up into small hard bits. Simply return it to low heat and continue whisking until everything has melted into the cream. Now we need to temper the cornstarch slurry. Slowly pour in the butterscotch cream mixture while whisking. Once everything is combined, return the mixture to a pan and cook it over medium-high heat. Whisk vigorously as it cooks. You want to bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Boil the pudding for 2 minutes and make sure to keep continuously whisking for the entire time. Once it has been cooked, remove the pan from the heat, then transfer the pudding to a container. If you want to make sure there are no lumps or bits of hard sugar in the pudding, you can optionally pour it through a strainer. Cover the surface of the pudding with plastic wrap or wax paper and then let it chill in the fridge or serve it hot. I like to serve mine warm in a bowl with some cream floated on top. But chilled pudding is also fantastic. And here you have it, the finished butterscotch pudding. Hopefully this video has inspired you to give it a try. The recipe might seem intimidating at first as we have some molten sugar going on, but I assure you the deliciousness is absolutely worth it. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like. Also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any future treats or eats. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.